Hey! Hey! Hey, wake up!
What? Who are you? What's going on?
I don't know. How'd we get here? Who are you?
I don't know. I can't remember much. What about you?
No, it's all hazy for me too. Let's try to sit up.
Are you okay?
Yep. A rock. Move with me. Maybe we can use it to cut our ties. Okay, suck. Oh. What are you doing?
I'm praying. I'm Sister Margaret.
I'm Michael. Nice to meet you. So you have no idea why you're here?
I can't remember anything.
Well, what's the last thing you do remember?
I don't know. It's just so hazy. What about you?
Well, I was walking back from a meeting and... I don't know. It's all fuzzy for me, too. Let's try to stand up.
Again?
Slower this time.
Now what?
Let's move to that tree over there. Slowly. Are you okay?
Yes.
Any ideas?
No, not at all. So, are you religious?
Here we go.
We may as well talk. There isn't much else to do.
Maybe instead we could talk about how to get out of here. Or how we got here, for that matter. You have no idea how you got here.
I didn't, but I think I may know now.
Please, share.
It's funny how God constantly works in our lives, and we don't even know it most of the time.
Oh, come on.
So you're not religious?
No,
You seem hesitant.
please, don't. We need to figure out a way out of here. This can only play out one of two ways. Either they leave us here, or they come back, and...
They are not coming back.
How do you know?
We would be in a basement or something if they were coming back. They wouldn't drive us out in the middle of nowhere just to come back and get us. There's no way out of here.
You seem a little too complacent with that for my taste.
I died to this world years ago, Michael, when I took up my cross. Who is this they, Michael? There's no use in keeping secrets at this point.
Sister, I know things that could put us in danger if I told.
More danger than this? I'm asking for your sake, not mine.
For my sake? Oh, that's rich.
Michael, God put us together in this situation for me to help you. I can tell you when to ask, but you're afraid. Confide in me, Michael. Confess your sins before God. Release Satan's grip on your heart. Be broken before God. Come near to God, and He will come near to you. Wash your hands, you sinners, and purify your hearts.
There are people after me, sister.
Is it something you did?
Nothing I did. Maybe we shouldn't.
Michael, don't listen to the doubt. For when he lies, he speaks his native language. For he is a liar and the father of lies.
There's a lot of money riding on me keeping quiet.
Michael, I'm trying to help heal you. Confess your sins to each other and pray for each other so that you may be healed.
There's a lot of money being traded under the tables right now. I just stepped into it. I can't handle this.
What kind of money, Michael?
Family money?
I know there's more to it, Michael.
We cashed all our assets and the company's changing hands before the shareholders take notice. Dad said that there would be people after us if he turned over the reins. He said the timing wasn't right. I should have listened.
You had no way of knowing, Michael. Tell me about these people.
People want to take the money and run.
Where is it? The money. Is it safe?
Probably in hiding somewhere. Why?
Oh, I'm just trying to understand our situation, Michael.
It's probably being compiled right now. It's a lot of money, sister.
But where is it now?
Probably in a bunch of different places. I have no idea. Dad never really told me anything. He wanted me to step in and take the reins once the company legitimized.
But he knows?
Both he and Mike.
And it,
He wanted to provide
How did we get the wrong one?
We're on the way.
What are we going to do with this guy?
we'll deal with that when we get to it. Squash it. We gotta get him out of there.
I do feel better, sister. I feel like a huge weight has been lifted from my chest.
There's much still left.
Hey, wake up! Wake up!